Should I be honest with you? My loyalty is to Nigeria. I am voting for a better Nigeria. In that better Nigeria, I will look at the crop of politicians. Who is the person who has a track record of using public office for public good? Who is a person who is going to ensure that the young people of the country are empowered in such a way that their potentials are unleashed? Who is a person that has a track record of keeping to their words and their word being their bond? And above all, maybe a person who can move this country from consumption to production. So we should understand these qualities and the capacities that these persons bring. Nobody is a saint, but are you a thief? If you are a thief, we cannot vote for you. I am loyal to Nigeria and principles, not to a person. And anybody, you can also run for president. Who knows? 2027, anybody can run and then other people will come out. But we continue to watch the arena. Let me just begin by sending my condolences, my very heartfelt condolences. Somto is someone, I don't know her personally, but I watch them, and you know how the screen makes a big personality of a person, and you just admire them by them just doing what they do. And she was good at it, even from the testimonies from her colleagues and all of that. And I pray that her soul finds rest and God comforts those who are mourning her very close family. It is unfortunate that we are where we are today, because listening to the commentary, there was also an aspect that she was taken to the hospital and there was an issue with the treatment, forcing even the former Senate President Bukola Saraki to come out and reinforce a bill that they had passed, stating that gunshot victims should be treated without. Nigeria is waiting for the next victim. We are a collection of potential victims. What we are doing is waiting for turn by turn Nigerian PLC. My prayer is that all that is going on mobilizes Nigerians enough to wake up and say, if you do not fix government and these institutions to work efficiently, anybody can become the next victim. Remember when there was a case of an attack on the Abuja-Kaduna train some years ago? There was a doctor there. She had already finalized her arrangement to travel out of the country. She was shot. She posted online. Some persons were even making a mockery of her. Incidentally, she died. I think Dr. Chinelo. That is what Nigeria is. When people talk about these things, it's not because you hate the country. It is because we want systems to work. Is it possible that even after the gunshot, she could still have survived if there was immediate care? In some instances, there may not be ambulance. There may be ambulance. There is no fuel. You may get there. Even if they want to treat, there is no oxygen. It is a whole lot of dysfunctionality. And it is unfortunate. But I hope that all of these tragedies inspire Nigerians to know that we need to put value on our lives. This is not a 29-year-old promising with a career as bright as anything as the stars, but cut short, not made better by the dysfunctionality in government. We have to fix this thing. It is not working. All of us must wake up and dismantle this structure of criminality.